What about consistency? In Cassandra, the quorum version of consistency has been proposed, in which we have a property that says that the number of reads, which is called R, plus the number of writes, called W, must be upper than the number of replicates. So if your strategy of replication is about 3, the number of acknowledged writes and the number of reads that has to be done must be over 3. So the number of writes and the number of reads must be higher than 3. Otherwise, we know that we can have some kind of eventual consistency. We cannot ensure that the information you get is the correct one. Let's take a replication rate of 3. We have 3 different nodes with the value pilot here with value 1. And we have an update. We say that the pilot now is 18. And according to this, we have 2 acknowledgements. So 2 nodes were acknowledged, and we know that this information is correct for 2 nodes. In order to be sure to have the correct information, we need to make 2 reads in parallel. So if we get the information from 2 different nodes, we can ensure that this information is correct, and we will get the information 18 for sure. But quorum is not the only one consistency level that exists in Cassandra. You can choose, according to a query, which type of consistency level you have. For instance, you can have 1 and any is by default. We need to have at least 1 acknowledgement. It's a good compromise, but it's pretty sure that the information is not very correct. But for instance, if you have the case of Facebook, you have a post on your wall, and for this wall, you want to know the number of likes you have on the post. If you have a difference between 48 or 49, we don't care. So it's a question of needs according to the consistency level. If you want to be more sure about the result, you can use quorum. You can have the little possibility of problem if one server disappears in the same time of updates, which can be quite rare of situation. The other one is you can ask for all the information every replicate must answer and must be acknowledged. At this time, this system is sure to have the proper information, but it takes time. We lose availability. So to illustrate that, you can have the consistency level which is more available for one, and then according to the different levels, you have more consistency and less availability at this time.